presenting a pre-owned 2011 Audi A8. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.2-liter V8 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Audi has less than 88,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include leather package, cold weather package, convenience package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.